Ngap tu yong marchan kita lang Korea Sunrise High Secondary School Juwai kelas 2 lo. Kas school man ko kam ke yung ko ar ke yong i. Kam jo kinong hikai man ki kam ki bai ki pa wa ar ki yong i. Piman pi kam kinong chdo luti i hai tip hai stan. Thola tholuti pi i kamon wa kun tu kun rong i tip yai stan hai akor hai buram hai jing im yong i liang wanang. Kas ngiu kro i pi warok kinong hikai. Ha kachnong wa kari yong i warok ko wi. Khublei chibon. And I wish you a very happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.
My name is Iba Kodor Hawa and I'm reading in class 12. As we all know that teachers is our second parent. They teach us from heart, not from the book. It's true, you have always been an excellent educator who knew how to illuminate a soul with its light. Happy Teachers' Day in advance to all our educators for your support and encouraging spirit. For our upliftment, thank you.
My name is Ava Khublei. I'm reading in class 12 at Central High Secondary School, Juwai. My message about today is to our beloved teacher. Thanks for making us what we are today. Without you, our life will have been lost. You try to bring us the best, and you are the best textbook for the students. So, I wish you a very happy Teachers' Day to you all. Thank you.
Hello everyone. I hope you are having a good day and that all your family members, your friends and you are safe and are taking all the necessary precautions to stay safe against COVID-19. We all know that this past 2 years have been very difficult for us students, for our studies. But despite that, our school facilities, especially our teachers, they are providing us with online classes. Despite knowing that they cannot go outside, they move and they record video for us in order for us to understand. They are trying their very best to make us students understand even through video, which is not like a physical classroom, but you know it's very helpful than doing nothing. And as you also know, September 5th is coming, and I hope most of the students who love their teachers, and I hope all students love, September 5th is coming and it is Dr. S. Radhakrishnan birthday, and that day celebrated as a Teachers' Day. And I am very, very happy and grateful that I am here to talk to all the people in India and all the teachers, and that I get to wish them a very, very happy Teachers' Day, especially the teachers in Meghalaya and in our school. And while wishing this, I hope that I'm not just saying it from me, and I hope that I am saying this on behalf of all the students from all around the world, not just India itself, that we are wishing you teachers a happy Teachers' Day. We thank you very much for guiding us. We thank you very much for encouraging us, and we thank you very much, who we all know that it's difficult in these days to help us study, that even that you are helping us. And we are very grateful for having teachers like you who keep on helping us. And there's a quotation whom I don't remember who said it actually, but that in that quotation, that man said, "It is the supreme art of the teacher to bring creative expression and knowledge in students." And I, from the bottom of my heart, feel that you teachers are helping us, and you are really bringing that knowledge and that creative expression in us in every way that you can. And with that, once again, I wish you again a very, very happy Teachers' Day, and that you keep on encouraging us, and thank you.
Ngai khublei pi bro kerteng jangai ribat kawa na ka no liberty high secondary school joy wadah pedeng le jingban janga klam ya barok ka perthei berkumjuru akari jangi nimla ban rakhi ya kasni burum jokene kai kumbalong hakipot mansua bani kendu markmat handai lengba kana kalat masim ga ka buksier pan ai khublei ya barok kin hui kai kibaran hakari jungi bat kumju akajala bat school jungi hiru barok we ha kana kasni ai khublei ke pangki kana kasni kalong kum kasni ban ketmau ba kinong hikai kilongkum kinong syakri amba kitre ya kakam hande ki syakri ya ka kari barokoi hadin jika jingban jo kene kaklam kini ki ars na mensua nisem ba ka rukom hikai kalong katko shibun kum hakipor ko mensua kinong hikai kiman shibun ki ding pitkyang kumno ban ra ka jing sngathu ya ban yo ai jing hikai ya ki khynnah school hagur kom pade ki tremet ban mensem singi bat sinya ban penbiang ban penbit ya ki khynnah school watla ni ki kum ki khynnah school ngim yo lat ban ya kendu ki mar khamat man la kasni hendrei kajing kajing burom bat kajing senya jung ye kinu hikai ingai scam makin nang siap haman la iwei ba iwei khynnah school ya hagari jung tang da kini ki kinten ngakit pok fituyan ya kinu hikai ba kinang la bat syakri susu ya kari bar kumju kinang yo ya kamet kakoj bakya khublei shibun